The importance of reading dua in Islam. In Islam, dua, supplication, holds a significant place in the life of Muslims. It is a means of connecting directly with Allah, seeking His guidance, blessings, and mercy. Regularly making dua strengthens our relationship with Allah and reminds us of our dependence on Him. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, emphasized the power of dua on numerous occasions. He said, "Dua is worship." This hadith shows that supplication is not just a request, but an act of worship. Through dua, we demonstrate our humility and submission to Allah. The closest that a servant comes to his Lord is when he is prostrating, so make plenty of dua. This hadith highlights the intimate connection we can achieve with Allah during our prayers, especially making dua during prostration. In conclusion, dua is a vital aspect of our faith. It is a simple yet powerful way to seek Allah's help in every aspect of our lives. By making it a regular part of our daily routine, we grow spiritually and develop a strong bond with our Creator. If you like this video, please leave a like as it helps me to create more videos like this. If you want to see different Islamic topics in future videos, make sure to comment down below. And inshallah, I'll see you soon.